Yo, how's it going, guys? It's been a while. By the way, it's Moonlight here and trade recap lang sa ginawa nating trade or shinare natin na trade sa TWM public channel natin. So, kung gusto mong ma-access yung public channel natin, click the link in my profile lang or sa bio ko dito sa TikTok. So, first things first, this is gold, guys, on a daily time frame. So, we've anticipated gold to drop kasi it's sitting yesterday night, it was sitting on a daily time frame high, right? Or a daily time frame resistance. So we're expecting a potential reaction from that price. Ngayon, pumunta kami ng H1 and as you can remember, I'm just using breakouts, right? So we've identified a very clear, very obvious na consolidation. So kapag may mga ganitong consolidation on a daily time frame resistance or daily time frame supports, it's a very high probability, guys, na yung breakout ng ng consolidation na to is a high probability na breakout na talagang magkakaroon ng reversal or continuation. So this was not a breakout for me kasi again, we only trade around NYSE open. Okay, so we only place our trade either pre-NYSE open or NYSE open. So at that point, we sold around here sa breakout na to. And of course, our stops just above the current candle's high or pwede mo rin gawin previous candle's high. And then the TP, guys, would be sa next lang na obvious na rejection area or next na structure lang. So paano mo ba nalalaman na talagang tutuloy siya? Aside sa volume, kasi nasa time tayo ng NYSE or New York Stock Exchange open na. So, meron talaga siyang volume most of the time. And at the same time, merong clean candles dito sa left side. Kapag ka ganito kasi, usually, nagkakaroon ng mirroring or mini-mirror niya tong ganitong setup. So, kapag natanong mo bakit mo na kikita na possible babagsak, merong area of support dito or resistance before na naging support. Hindi ko yan siya i-anticipate as support, guys, kasi again, we are bouncing off or nanggaling tayo sa higher time frame na area of resistance. Yung mga minor na areas of support ay talagang babasagin yan most of the time. Okay? So based on experience na rin sa dami na ng setup na nakikita natin, that would be paulit-ulit na. So yan lang, guys, and yeah, NYSE drop lang or within the 9:30 to 11 p.m. na time window. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you learned something. And again, kung gusto mo ng access, click mo lang yung link sa bio ko. See you there.